Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 has stopped working. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to basically go to your files directory where your game files is installed. For me, I purchased on Steam, so I just need to go to library, GTA 5, properties, install files and then browse. If you, for example, bought from Epic Games, super similar library, burger menu, manage, and then you just need to find basically and press open file install location. And once you on the files here, the next step what you need to do here is to go and find GTA 5 exe file and GTA 5 launcher, and what you need to do here is to right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8, and disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, apply the changes, and then same thing with GTA 5 launcher, properties, compatibility, and here select compatibility mode Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator. And then just run the game and the issue should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button, please, and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.